Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be doing an unenveloping or unboxing on the Navy Federal Credit Union secured card. Now, this is actually my third secured card that I've ever gotten. And so in this video, I just want to show the unboxing or unenveloping process with you guys. But before we get started, I have a quick
message.
Welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Duane with howtobuildcredittv.com. And on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so like I mentioned in the beginning, this is actually my third secured credit card. The first one that I got was the Discover It secured card back in August 2017. And then I got the Citibank secured card in October 2017. And I got the Navy Federal Credit Union secured card, which is this card that we're unenveloping in this video. I got that card in June 2018. Now, the purpose for me personally to get a secured card is for me to establish or reestablish a relationship with a specific bank. So with Navy Federal Credit Union, I didn't really have a relationship with them. Of course, Navy Federal Credit Union has different types of qualifications. In order to be a member, you have to be military affiliated or know someone that is, preferably a relative, right? Like a spouse, a brother, a mom, that type of thing, right? So in order to get an account with Navy Federal Credit Union, you have to have some type of affiliation in regards to the military. And then once you open your account, you have to put money into a savings account in order to get the Navy Federal Credit Union secured card. So me personally, I wanted a relationship with Navy Federal pretty badly because I know that it is a very, very charitable bank. At least that's what I've heard. And I'd like to experience that for myself. So I went ahead and decided to get the Navy Federal Credit Union secured card. So in this video, without further ado, we're going to jump right into the unenveloping. So what I'm going to do right now is jump on over to the table, and I'll see you guys over at the table. Okay, so I'm over here on the table to do another unenveloping video of a credit card. This particular card is a Navy Federal secured credit card. Now this card, I went ahead and got a Navy Federal secured card because I really wanted a relationship with Navy Federal. I have a bank account with them, and you have to have a savings account in order to open the secured credit card with them. So I went ahead and maxed it out. I got a $5,000 credit limit. So that means that I had to deposit $5,000 in my savings account, which it's in there, and they put it on hold. It's on hold in that account, and I won't be able to use it, but it is there. And whenever I'm ready, after they promote me, I think they start to look to promote you after 6 months of making 6 payments on time. They start to look to promote you to the unsecured card. So I'm really excited. Navy Federal Credit Union is a great bank to have a relationship. And so, I just wanted to do a really quick video and show you guys the unenveloping of the Navy Federal Credit Union secured card. Now, of course, this is the in rewards card, my particular card. And so there is rewards where you're able to get 1% cash back on your purchases. I'm not sure the rest, just because I just don't remember. But there's some good information here. I mean, this is a pretty cool packaging that you get with your card. Okay, let me not show my account number here. So it has my credit limit right there, $5,000, and then the current APR, which is 18%. Which is actually pretty good, especially for a secured card, but it's actually good in general because there are a lot of credit cards that have a lot higher APR. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can show you guys the card here. All right, flipping it over, and okay, I'm shaking the camera and flipping it over, right? So let me go ahead and take this off. This card is pretty simple. There's not really a lot to it. It's a straightforward card here. Let me cover this information up here at the bottom. Okay, and show you guys the card a little closer. So that's the Navy Federal Credit Union secured card. As you can see there, it's an all right card. It's flat. It's smooth. It's pretty much like a lot of the cards now that there's not raised letters or numbers on the card. So as you can see here, this is the front of the card. I'm excited about this relationship to get this going with Navy Federal Credit Union. I just wanted to make a really, really quick video and show you guys that secure credit cards are not only what you use when you're trying to build your credit, but it also can be something that you use when you're trying to establish a relationship with a particular bank. And that's what I did here. Thank you so much for watching this portion of the video. I'll see you back in just 1 second. Thank you so much for watching this video about the Navy Federal Credit Union Secure Card. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer it as soon as I see it. Also, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit, and share the video with somebody that may find it helpful. If you have any questions, we actually do live streams on this channel, How to Build Credit TV, on Mondays, 7 p.m. Central. At least we try to do live streams on most Mondays at 7 p.m. Central on How to Build Credit TV. So feel free to stop by there and ask your questions and get them answered in regards to anything you need to know about credit. And if you're interested in making money using credit cards, you definitely want to make sure you subscribe to the channel. As a matter of fact, if you haven't subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with howtobuildcredittv.com, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.